Do you want to be more attractive, not just physically but in all aspects of life? Well, attractiveness is not merely a physical attribute, it's a combination of several factors, many of which are within our control. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore 7 key ways to boost your attractiveness. We'll start by talking about the importance of developing a healthy self-esteem. Then we'll discuss the magic of being joyful and friendly, and how it can make you irresistibly attractive. Finding your purpose is another crucial step that we'll delve into. We'll also cover why making learning a lifestyle can significantly enhance your attractiveness. Taking care of your appearance matters too, so we'll address that. We'll also explore how being a loving and giving person can make you more appealing. And finally, we'll touch upon the power of maintaining eye contact. So, are you ready to become the most attractive version of yourself? Stay tuned as we delve into these life-changing tips. First on our list is developing healthy self-esteem. This is the bedrock of attractiveness. Not the kind that's built on arrogance or egotism, but the kind that's rooted in self-respect and appreciation for oneself. When you have healthy self-esteem, it shines through and becomes a beacon that draws people towards you. It's like a silent, confident whisper that says, "I'm comfortable in my own skin." You see, self-esteem affects how you perceive yourself and how you interact with the world. When you value yourself, you don't seek validation from others, you do not compromise your values, and you set healthy boundaries. Healthy self-esteem also allows you to be authentic. Authenticity is magnetic, it's real, and it's attractive. It allows you to connect with others on a deeper level, so start by loving and respecting yourself. Embrace who you are, flaws and all, because you are unique, and that's your superpower. Remember, your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. Secondly, being joyful and friendly can significantly enhance your attractiveness. Picture this. You walk into a room and see 2 people. One is sitting in the corner, frowning and quiet. The other is laughing, chatting, and exuding an air of positivity. Who would you likely be drawn to? The answer is simple, right? The positive and friendly person. That's because happiness is infectious. It draws people in. When you're joyful, your energy lifts those around you, creating a positive environment that others want to be a part of. Being friendly, on the other hand, makes you approachable. It signals to others that you're open to interaction, making them feel comfortable around you. So remember to let your joy shine through and your friendliness radiate, because positivity can significantly improve your general attractiveness. A warm smile is the universal language of kindness. Next, finding your purpose can make you more attractive. Imagine meeting someone who is so passionate about what they do, it just lights up their face. That's what having a clear sense of purpose can do. It's like having a compass that always points you in the right direction, a beacon that guides you through life's storms. This sense of direction, this unwavering commitment to something greater than oneself, can make a person stand out in a crowd. It's not just about what you do, but why you do it. When your actions are guided by purpose, it's like a magnet that attracts others. People are drawn to individuals who are purpose-driven, who have a reason for being, a mission to accomplish. It makes you intriguing, compelling, attractive in ways that go beyond the physical. Your purpose in life is to find your purpose and give your whole heart and soul to it. Fourthly, make learning your lifestyle. You see, the quest for knowledge never ends. A well-rounded person is often seen as attractive, not only for their looks but also for their intellect. The beauty of learning is that it's never-ending, it's a lifelong journey. It's not just about reading books or earning degrees, it's about being curious, asking questions, seeking answers, and continually growing. Being knowledgeable allows you to engage in diverse conversations, understand different perspectives, and make informed decisions. It broadens your horizons and helps you to see the world through different lenses. You become more adaptable, more understanding, and more empathetic. And who wouldn't find such traits attractive? But remember, learning isn't something that happens by accident. It's a conscious choice, a commitment to self-improvement. To make learning your lifestyle is to embrace growth and change. So, be curious, be open, and keep learning. After all, learning is not attained by chance, it must be sought for with ardor and diligence. Fifth on our list is to take care of how you look. Now you might be thinking, but isn't attractiveness more than skin deep? And you're absolutely right. But here's the catch. The way we present ourselves to the world often mirrors our inner state of being. And folks, let's face it, first impressions matter. Personal grooming and hygiene are like the unsung heroes of attractiveness. A neat appearance and a fresh scent can go miles in enhancing your appeal. So don't shy away from investing in self-care. It's not vanity, it's about feeling good about yourself. And what about dressing well? It's not about expensive brands or following the latest trends. It's about finding what suits you and makes you feel comfortable and confident. Dressing well is a way of saying you respect yourself and the people around you. Looking good isn't self-importance, it's self-respect. Next, being a loving and giving person can make you more attractive. You see, the beauty of kindness and generosity is that they cast a radiant glow, making you irresistibly attractive. When you show love and give freely, you're not just sharing material things or time, you're sharing part of yourself. And that's a powerful connection. And let's not forget empathy. The ability to understand and share the feelings of others is like a magnet. It draws people in, building strong relationships that are based on mutual respect and understanding. When you're kind and understanding, you become a safe haven for others, a person they can trust and rely on. This kind of attractiveness goes beyond the physical. It's about the heart and soul, about being a beacon of positivity and love in a sometimes challenging world. Remember, kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profoundness. Kindness in giving creates love. Lastly, maintaining eye contact can significantly boost your attractiveness. It's a seemingly small detail, but one that can make a world of difference in how others perceive you. Let's delve a bit deeper into this. When you maintain eye contact, it's like you're saying, "I see you, I'm interested in what you're saying, and I value this interaction." It's a silent yet powerful message. It helps to build a connection, making others feel seen and heard. But it does more than that. Eye contact also reflects confidence, a trait that many find attractive. When you look someone in the eye, it shows that you're comfortable in your own skin, that you're not afraid to engage on a deeper level. And remember, it's not about staring someone down, it's about engaging in a respectful, genuine way. So next time you're in a conversation, remember to look up and connect. Eye contact is a method of human communication that is incredibly powerful, yet often overlooked. So, those are the 7 ways to make yourself more attractive. Let's take a moment to recap and really let these ideas sink in. Firstly, we talked about developing a healthy self-esteem. Remember, this isn't about arrogance, but about acknowledging your worth and embracing your unique qualities. It's about standing tall, even in the face of adversity, and holding on to the belief that you are enough, just as you are. Next, we explored the importance of being joyful and friendly. A warm smile, a hearty laugh, a genuine interest in others. These are the things that truly draw people to you. So radiate positivity and see how it transforms the way others perceive you. Finding your purpose, as we discussed, is not just about setting and achieving goals, but about discovering what truly lights a fire within you. When you're driven by a deep-seated sense of purpose, it shows, making you irresistible to others. Making learning your lifestyle is another key aspect of attractiveness. When you're open to new ideas, eager to grow, and continually striving to better yourself, it sends a powerful message about your character. Taking care of how you look, we learned, is about more than just physical appearance. It's about presenting yourself in a way that reflects your respect for yourself and others. It's about feeling good in your own skin and letting that confidence shine through. Being a loving and giving person, as we highlighted, is arguably the most attractive quality of all. When you show kindness and generosity, it touches people's hearts and draws them to you in a way that nothing else can. Finally, we discussed the importance of maintaining eye contact. This simple act conveys respect, attentiveness, and genuine interest, making others feel truly seen and valued. Each of these 7 points holds the power to enhance your attractiveness in its own unique way, so go ahead, incorporate these tips into your life and watch how they transform not just how others perceive you, but how you perceive yourself. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Remember, attractiveness comes from within, so let your inner light shine.